mob, went mob, went mob, went mob, went mob, went mob. Put that shit on the mob. Kill a nigga for the fam, I put that on the mob. Do that shit live on the gram, I put that on the mob. Ooh, the addy, we gon' slam, I put that on the mob. For a bump and we gon' bam, I put that on the mob. Mob, what it do, broski? It's your main man and host of Footlocker's Week of Greatness, DaveyMcFlyy 2 Wise, back with another banger, broski. And the visuals and content I'm gonna be posting over the next couple days would not be possible without some of the help from my good friends at my local Footlocker. Hey, the mob appreciates you, bro, on behalf of my family, the mafia. That's what that mean to me. Ain't no crazy illegal business or illegal activity going on, bro. The mob is my family. That's it. That's all that mean, man. We all see all this funny business that's going on with Tekashi 69 and you know what I'm saying? But we all know I've been mobbing before that dude even came out, so I have to let it be known, like, you know what I'm saying? We don't need no investigations brought up on Young Davey. But anyway, yeah, man, sorry, got off track slightly. But once again, shout out to my good friends over there at Footlocker for allowing me to provide y'all with content from this week's Week of Greatness, broski. I'm one day late, but I'm gonna be covering most, if not all, of the shoes that dropped this week during the Week of Greatness. And I'm gonna be able to show y'all visuals on Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Holiday 2018 kicks as well, broski. You know what I'm saying? All the early kicks, all the heat that's dropping, they're gonna come here, you know what I mean? I got you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe and the notification bell. Pull yourself up a seat to this cool kid table, man, and we have fun. You know what I'm saying? I invite all. I only ask you don't come with the negativity, broski. But moving along, if you haven't seen the Gym Red video I posted up yesterday, the format of this video gonna be pretty much the same. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna dip through. I'm gonna show y'all a couple products, show y'all a couple kicks from this Week of Greatness. Then we're gonna hop into the early look. You know what I mean? The kicks in question are dropping tomorrow. Y'all gonna be able to pick them up. I'm not super duper early, but you know what I'm saying? Slightly, just a tad bit. If you watch this video when it came out, then it's early. You know what I'm saying? So, without a further ado, man, let's hop straight into the kicks. Oh, these dropped today? Yeah. The Black Vapors.
Yeah. Black and gold.
You tried them on yet?
Nah, but I know they run a little small.
Yeah, see, I got wide feet, bro. I tried on the 11 the other day.
Yeah.
And the damn 11 was hugging me with a cage at. You know, I wear 10, like 10 and a half, so.
Yeah, my godfather and his son-in-law, they bought a pair. And they had to go up like a half an inch on each one of their ends.
The homies definitely said though when they break in, they feel more comfortable. This from the Week of Greatness, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Week of Greatness heat.
Yeah, black and gold.
Them shit's hard.
Yeah.
They kind of look like the Off-White. I don't know why it's reminding me of the Off-White and not a traditional 97.
Oh, snap.
Sneak. Well, just because I just seen some the black Off-White 97.
Oh yeah, these too. Black and gold pluses.
Oh, hell yeah. And y'all getting shit all week, huh?
Mm-hmm. And then we started getting, we got a sister store. We started to get shipment from DC. Ooh. Yeah, it's a store up there. They got overstock. So a lot of the stuff that we getting is not even like stuff that's been in, Virginia. So we get a lot of hot stuff.
Like these right here, I've never seen this shoe.
Yeah,
and I know Air Max fans like, bro, if you an Air Max fan, this something like, this something these boys supposed to be coming to beat the store up for.
You see, you can tell with that material, that's from a That's that suede. That's a warm shoe.
Man, you got like 3 different materials on here. You got this dope canvas, super duper nice suede. This a new book. What this, some Chanel, cuz?
You ain't never seen no Hirachis with the suede either.
Nah, I never have.
See?
Nah, I never seen this Hirachi, period.
Yep, and they got a little wool up there in the back.
Oh yeah. Hey man, y'all come to Pembroke Mall, broski. Y'all want to get something exclusive in the closet?
Yeah.
You ain't even got to go to StockX for it. Look at these, bro. Oh yeah.
And then
I like the materials on these two joints. Them crazy.
And we got 95. We got some other 95.
Hey, you got some Dolphin Hirachis on deck. Yeah, y'all got flavors, bro. I ain't even know they made a Just Do It Hirachi.
Yeah, you didn't know that? Yeah. They even had a 97 Hirachi. They had a Plus.
Did they just do it more up tempos?
More up tempo.
That would have been fire.
They would have, but if they would have did, yeah.
Some Just Do It Pippins, that would have been fire. So yeah, they probably just did the base models.
Yeah. They did have a Just Do It penny like this. It was all black, white with the orange.
So bang, let's take a look at the brand new Kyrie 5 Black Magic, broski. A little bit of backstory on this shoe. Debuted on foot by Kyrie Irving in a 43-point game performance on the Toronto Raptors in the Black Magic Kyrie 5. As you can see, the shoe rocking the simple black upper, black midsole as well with a little bit of speckles on there, and you got a white and multicolor outsole. You know what I'm saying? White swoosh on that joint. And we got this brand new Venus Flytrap lockdown system. Now, just the look of the lockdown system itself reminds me a lot of the Batman Jeremy Scott's, I think it was called the Dark Knight. Y'all remember the Jeremy Scott Adidas back in the day? Those shoes was crazy. He had like teddy bears on shoes, and you know what I'm saying? My favorite pair of Jeremy Scott's was the pair that Joel Santana had with American flags on them. Them was dumb dope, broski. But yeah, back to these though. You know what I'm saying? The lockdown system, or like the fly trap itself, I don't think is removable. So if you want to wear it casually and you like me and like to try to pull off the loose lace look, it's possible to do it. I just don't know how it's gonna look. So y'all let me know if y'all want me to scoop up a pair to try on, and you know what I'm saying, drop a how to lace on these. Might be pretty dope. See if we can swag them off court and casually. Y'all know I only hoop outside of my driveway, broski. But yeah, man, the shoe is for sure dope. You can look at the back, see that Illuminati symbol back there. You know what I'm saying? It got Shumanati, same channel, Avi on there. Y'all hit up Shumanati and ask them what that triangle and them sixes mean. Tell them the mob sent you. But yeah, man. And you can for sure bet it's gonna be some storytelling on the traction as well. Me, myself, personally, I've always been a fan of the Kyrie. I got Kyrie 1s. I got Kyrie 2s. I passed on the Kyrie 3. I was looking at the Kyrie 4. The Kyrie 4s wasn't bad. I felt like it was a step back in the right direction. But I passed on the Kyrie 4 as well. And with this one, I want to try it, man. With the Kyrie 5, I want to jump back in the Kyrie game and give it a try. My main reason for not following up with the series, because of after the Kyrie 1, I didn't feel like the Kyrie 2 was nowhere near as comfortable as the Kyrie 1 after break-in time. And from reviews I saw, the Kyrie 3 felt just like the Kyrie 2. I have no idea what the comfort setup was on the Kyrie 4, but hopefully the Kyrie 5 feel nice, because I want to try them out. But yeah, man, that's pretty much my review and my overall thoughts on the shoe. Let me know if you're going to be picking up the Kyrie 5 Black Magic. I'm pretty sure it's a gang of them on the way, and if you look, you can find previews for more colorways as well. So broski, y'all let me know. Definitely slap that notification bell if you subscribe already, and hit your boy with a like on the way out the door, broski. Y'all stay all the way up from my family to yours, man. And y'all stay posted, because I got way more content coming. I'm going to tell you right off the bat, bro, you do not want to miss the next couple videos I'm finna post. Well, none of the videos I'm finna post. I got one pair of J's shot early already, and I'm going to shoot 2 more today. You know what I'm saying? And we are just getting started. So yeah, broski, y'all stay up on the mob.
Mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, wet, wet, mob. Put that shit on the mob, wet, 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 put that shit on the mob. Kill a nigga for the fam, I put that on the mob. Do that shit live on the gram, I put that on the mob. Ooh, the addy, we gon' slam, I put that on the mob. For a bump and we gon' bam, I put that on the